What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to be breaking down a whole chicken, and this is going to be the first part of a 4-part series where we break down the chicken, then make 2 different entrees, and also make some homemade chicken stock. So, cheers and let's cook. I'm going to start by cutting off my thighs and legs. I'm just going to cut through that skin between the thigh and the breast. Cut that skin all the way down. Now, I'm going to pop that socket. See right where that bone attaches right there. We'll go through that. Keeping as much of that thigh meat on there as possible. Try to get as close to the bone as you can. Look at that. We'll do that to both sides. Through the skin. Pop that bone. See that right there? Cut right through. Thighs and legs. Now to separate the leg from the thigh, you kind of see that line right there. Cut down to get to the joint. Once again, just pop that joint. See right where your knife's got to go. Right in between there, it'll come right apart. We got our thigh and our leg. So we're going to cut our breasts off. So we'll go right down the center. And just go right along that bone. Trying to get off as much meat as we can. Come up in here. And we have our breast. Now the only thing left to remove are our wingies. We can see the joint right there. You're just going right into that joint. We got our wings. That's how you break down a chicken. I got my chicken broken down, and now with the carcass, we're gonna make some stock. With my breasts, we're gonna make some chicken fajitas, and then with the wings, thighs, and legs, we'll make some chicken Florentine. Alright guys, that was a $10 chicken, and we're gonna get a ton of stuff out of this. And once you get into that chicken, you can see where all the joints are at. No problem at all, not that hard. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, if you hit that little bell, you'll get notifications for when the rest of the videos for this series, along with everything else, gets posted. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.